Buying Bitcoin on the eToro app is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up. If you don't already have an account, download the eToro app from the App Store and sign up for an account. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, deposit funds into your eToro account using a supported payment method, such as a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. Search for Bitcoin. Navigate to the trade markets or crypto section of the app and search for Bitcoin in the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose amount. Select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can either enter a specific amount or choose to buy Bitcoin worth a certain amount of your deposited funds. Place order. Once you've chosen the amount, review the transaction details and place your order to buy Bitcoin. The order will be executed at the current market price. Monitor your investments. After purchasing Bitcoin, you can monitor its performance and track your investment in the eToro app's portfolio section. Secure your investment. Consider transferring your purchased Bitcoin to a secure wallet for long-term storage if you're not actively trading it on the eToro platform.